Welcome back, everyone. Elder law attorney David Groner joining us once again for more tips. David, welcome back.
Good to be back, Lydia.
Something we've never discussed before. This says, I have a parent with dementia. Can I still create a trust for her if I have power of attorney?
That's a question I get asked more frequently than I would like to admit. Once a person has dementia, obviously they can't execute legal documents on their behalf. Sometimes a family member has already obtained a power of attorney, which is very useful and very important. But the problem is the language of that power of attorney is very important. So I have to look at it and see. If it doesn't specifically give authority to create a trust and to do that kind of thing, well then no, they can't do that. So it's important that the right power of attorney be created for a parent if you really want the full power to manage their estate and do things that may be helpful to them.
And would you consider this sort of a crisis situation? We have talked about these crisis situations before. Would this be one of them?
It surely would be. Because once a person gets into a mental state where they no longer have what's called cognitive ability, they can't understand or comprehend things that are being told to them, then that becomes a crisis, especially if they have not made any planning for Medicaid or nursing home or how their estate is going to be managed during the period of time that they're incompetent, and then what happens once they die. So that really is a crisis situation. Having said that, people shouldn't just give up and say, well, Medicaid said I have to spend the whole estate now on a nursing home. They need to contact an elder law attorney because lots of times there are tools we can help them with that may at least preserve part of their estate for their family.
Yeah, so it seems like there are things that can still help even if you do find yourself in a crisis situation. And David, right here, elder law attorney sitting with us, he can help you out with that. Contact him at the number on the bottom of your screen.